Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to show you how to take any shirt and cinch it at the waist. We're going to make two things called darts, and they're very flattering, and you can do it to your exact body shape, wherever you want. So now we've tried on our shirt. We have these nice darts in the front, leaving lots of room in the chest, but smaller at the waist. So the first thing you're going to do is try on your shirt inside out, and then wherever you want it to cinch, you're just going to put 2 pins. See how much fabric you want to take out. So I think I'm going to do about 1 inch on each side. So I'm just going to pull out the fabric 1 inch right where I want it to cinch in and put a pin in just like that. And then you'll do the same thing on the other side. And now you can carefully take your shirt off and we'll start sewing. Okay, so we have the pins in the front of our shirt. So we're going to start sewing where one of the first pins is. So you can just flip your shirt on its side and have that pin facing you, and that's where we're going to sew. So we're just going to thread a needle, cut off your thread, put it through that hole in the top of the needle and pull it through like that. So now that you have some thread on your needle, we're going to start sewing. You can start below the pin and you're just going down and up through the fabric in one motion. Don't pull the thread all the way through. Leave a bit hanging out. Then you're going to go back and then out close to the same hole you just came out. And that's going to create a loop of thread. You can put your needle through that loop and pull it shut. We're going to do at least 3 of these knots to knot our thread in place. So you just keep coming out close to the same hole. You've already come out, make that loop of thread, put your needle through the loop and pull it shut. And that knots your thread in place. Now we're just going to do simple stitches over the pin and a little bit beyond it. So we're just going to try and do stitches close together, down and up in one motion, down and up again, and when you get to the pin you can just take it out. I keep mine in a cork. Then you can pull your needle through and you can do a back stitch, which means you just go back a step and then come out close to the same hole you already came out and pull your thread tight, and that just locks it in place. So we don't need many stitches, we'll just do a couple more here. We're gonna do maybe about the length of our finger or a little less. Then all you need to do is another knot up here. So again, take a step back and then come out close to the same hole you already came out, making that loop of thread. Put your needle through the loop and pull it shut. And you're gonna do 3 of those knots before we cut off our thread and sew another dart on the other side. Pull it tight, and now we can cut off our thread and we have this little dart sewn in place. So we're going to do the same thing where we have the other pin, and then we're done. So now we've sewn these 2 darts on the inside of our shirt. All we need to do is turn our shirt right side out, and you can see you have these nice darts on the front. That's going to leave lots of room in the chest, but then cinch it in at the waist. So I'm going to do a really simple, quick boat neck, move close under the collar, stop in the middle, fold this over and line up that collar so you know exactly how much to cut off the other side. Follow that line, and now the collar's off. So that's also going to be a lot more flattering when we try it on. Okay, so now we've tried on our shirt. We have these nice darts in the front, making it smaller at the waist. It's just way more flattering. It was so easy to do. If you want to make your darts even bigger, you can totally go back and do that. But you also want to make sure you can get your shirt on really easily. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you try it out. Thank you so much for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.